In front of me is Lenovo tab P12 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to click on Accounts and Sync. Then use this icon next to Google under Autofill service. Hit Google Password Manager and tap on Add Password over here. Now it's time to input all of those informations. At the top, select any website or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!